Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to add new cells in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so this is the Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda prompt. Suppose if you want to add any new cell, suppose if you want to add the cells here means, so what you can do is like, so let me tell you first, let me type something here, Python gram. Okay, so let me comment this. Okay, and now suppose if you want to add any new cell above this particular cell means you can just press A in your keyboard so that you will get the new cell above this particular line. Okay, you can get as many cells as you want by pressing A. Okay, and suppose if you want to add any new cell below means let me tell you one more example. So here I will just type MySQL. Okay. And suppose if you want the new cell below this particular line means you can just press B. So you will get the new cell below this particular cell. Okay. Suppose if you want to add the cell above means you can press A. Pressing B means you will be getting the new cell below this particular line on the cell. Okay. So this is how you can add the cells above and below the cell in Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.